everyone, my name is Christian M. Emilian, Bass IT3A. Now we will tackle about the data exploration.
From this code, it shows us that each data set value of an and has data frame. Just column names data length, data length, and data width, and displays the 5 rows using the head. And this output shows us that it is the 5 rows of each data set with each represents the flower, the data length, data length, and data width. And for the next code, it is the row or column of the set. It is checked if the column is numeric and calculate the print based on the std min and max for the each column. And for the output, it is the a least variation but pattern length and pattern width shows us the most variation likely distinguish the different species. And the most pattern length is to be 6.67 cm and the lower was the ranging of that 2.50 centimeter, showing the most flower have a very small petal. And it is the output. And for the next would show us that the species of iris flower contains the occurrence of the each unique categories of this plant. For the output, it is the Iris setosa. Those are the 50 of Setosa species of insects, and the Spinosa species, and the Iris virginica species. And for the next one, code, it is the describing function factors providing summary of the stream included by the specific numeric number columns that is used to include summary statistics in both numeric and non-numeric columns. It is called by 150 the total number within ranging by the each numeric column with the standard of division test as described in the smallest value from the column, largest value from the column. And the next one is the code of calculate the complete mass of numeric columns. It is a iris datasets contains the categories of data. And for the output shows us that the categories of metrics help us to understand and between different features of datasets, it is useful for class and feature selection of analytics. For the next one is grid of coloration, and it is can column with this contain critical data of only for the output, it is coloration matrix provide insight into the relationship between numeric features for the positive coloration, negative coloration, the coloration near to a zero and a little non-linear relationship. To the next one, it is a histogram visualize the distribution of single numeric features by dividing the speed and the counting how many values for to each interval. For the output shows us that histogram value the distribution of second length value by the iris datasets how the frequency difference range to the second length appears to the datasets. And for the next code, it is the over pair of features of ensuring each pair of plots only once. And it is the using red point, it is represents by the features with also done like data of box plots visual represents of showing the feature of each numeric features. With the output is a box plots, it is used for numeric columns, data length, data width, data length, data width. To the next one, from the output, it shows that it is consists of the grid of a scattered plot showing us a pairwise relationship between the numeric features of the datasets. And from this code, it is the pandas containing the data of a plot. It should be a multiple and one of the columns that choose for a classes and data into a categories. It used to different of data in color plot. Each category will be assigned of different colors. From the output shows that
It is used to different data by color, and plot of each category will be colored according to the value in the class column, allowing to visualize distinguish between different categories. It is especially useful to see trends pattern useful for multi-brands. Well, that is the wrap of my discussion. Thank you for staying until the end of the discussion. Thank you, everyone.